Hi everyone, Nancy Allen here from YourEnergyRx.com with your quantum healing code for October 2019. This month we're going to eliminate toxins. Our environment is riddled with them, and as a result, so are we. Chemtrails, EMF waves, radio waves, Wi-Fi, chemicals on and in our foods and water, vaccinations, and who knows whatever else. And with the speed at which new chemicals, drugs, and technologies are being developed, evolution has not had time to equip our bodies with the mechanisms to eliminate or tolerate these chemicals and technologies. In 2016, the EPA report on fracking stated, EPA found scientific evidence that hydraulic fracturing activities can impact drinking water resources. We know there's a problem, so what can we do? Let's run some codes. Here's the question. Is there an assisting frequency for highest good that will eliminate toxins from our bodies and environment? Now, there are so many toxin elimination codes in the Energy Balancing by Numbers code series that there is no way to deliver them all in a single video. Having said that, I've pulled 4 codes to install today, and I must say I was surprised, but not really surprised. So number 1 is eliminate that which is negatively affecting the bees. Number 2, eliminate the negative health effects from chemtrails. Number 3, eliminate gamma effects on the body. And number 4, celery juice. Here's a little tip. In quantum code healing, if you have the code, you don't need the thing, which means that if you have the code for celery juice, you don't need to go buy celery juice. Just run the code. So this month we're going to do the install a little differently. We're going to install all the codes back to back, and then at the end, close up the installation. So let's install these codes. Find yourself a comfortable position. And if you know how to ground, go ahead and ground. And if you don't know how to ground, put your attention on the base of your spine, the number 1 chakra. This is your connection to the earth. And create a cord, cable, wire, waterfall, tree, anything that represents a release, and plug it into the center of the planet. The planet's here to help us. Plug it in securely. And then put your attention back on the base of your spine and create a switch that says release. And tell this switch and your grounding cord, command it to release everything from your space that is not yours or that no longer serves you. And then come up to the center of your head, that's behind your eyes and between your ears. And breathe. And now there's a position we like to assume so we get our bodies involved in this process. Right-handers, left-handers, it's a little bit different for each of you. For right-handers, right hand on your heart chakra, that's your delivery hand. Left hand becomes your antenna hand to grab the code from the ethers and bring it in. Left-handers, switch it up. Left hand is your delivery hand into your heart chakra and your space, and your right hand is your antenna that's going to grab the code from source, bring it through your arms and into your heart chakra and your electromagnetic space. So go ahead and assume the position, right hand, left hand. And here we go. We ask for, accept, and align with these EBN codes. It's with gratitude we accept the following assisting frequencies. Eliminate that which is negatively affecting the bees. Eliminate the negative health effects from chemtrails. Eliminate gamma effects on the body. And celery juice. 9779-7388-9589-9893. 9779-7388-9589-9893. 9779-7388-9589-9893. 9779-738-8589-9893. 9779-738-8589-9893. 9779-738-8589-9893. 9779-738-8589-9893. 4854-4953-3943-4751. 4854-4953-3943-4751. 4854-4953-3943-4751. 4854-4953-3943-4751. 4854-4953-3943-4751. 4854-4953-3943-4751. 4854-4953-3943-4751. 5956-6367-438. 5956-6367-438. 5956-6367-438. 5956-6367-438. 5956-6367-438. 5956-6367-438. 5956-6367-438. 686-769-62657. 686-769-62657. 686-769-62657. 686-769-62657. 686-769-62657. 686-769-62657. 686-769-62657. And now I'd like you to put both hands on your heart chakra to close up the installation. And be grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And it is so. Well, that was a great sequence. Whew. So the thing I'd like you to remember about these codes is that they only rebalance what's out of balance that's already in your space. Our body and our energetic systems already know how to keep things in balance, but because of conscious or unconscious blocks, daily programming, or even DNA damage, we can get thrown out of whack. So as I said before, the codes are not adding something new, they're just aligning with your set of the codes to release, rebalance, reactivate, rewire, and replenish the energies already in place. To learn more about how the codes work, you can just check out my YouTube channel. Also right here on YouTube, CodeAlchemy Weekly. It's weekly codes with assisted installs, and it only takes about a minute, so please subscribe. And I invite you to go to YourEnergyRx.com to grab your free Energy Tools Bundle, the Simple Tools Mind Map. And in the Code Carrier's Closet, you can find workshops, courses, be activated by angels, or pick up a CodeAlchemy wristband that carries the 77889903 brain stabilization code. This code is utter magic. When you wear this wristband, it's like mainlining the code. The results have been amazing. You can also book a one-on-one clear healing session with me that will reboot your energetic space to create more, love more, expect more, accomplish more, and release more. Or you can book a live personal code session to address your specific concerns or desires, where we work together to find your specific code recipes. And if you're not already a member, think about joining my Quantum Healing Code Carriers Facebook members group, where you'll find exclusive access to freebies, huge product discounts, and more weekly codes. So that's it for now. I'm Nancy. Enjoy this month's codes. And remember, there's a code for that. See ya. Bye.